Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really I go on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
No, this is not just an album. This is an experience. Vybz Kartel X-rated, available worldwide on all digital platforms. Make sure you support good music. Vybz Kartel and Sharp Bass Music presents. You know the something go. Stream, view, support. Yeah man, now move settings nation. And no, we don't need none of that. Now welcome to the channel. Yeah man, Jayden Chase. Now we are about to bring another important reasoning on the topic of dancehall, entertainment and current affairs. Remember the man, I'm here remind you now. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a share on the vlog in truth. Now in another video, viewers and subscribers, we are going to discuss Vybz Kartel's international crossover confirmation by Billboard Records and the shockwave that has sent through the dancehall industry right now. Plus, we are also discuss the serious situation that took place at the Ministry of Finance and Public Service, where Dr. Nigel Clark and the confirmation engaged the 126 million that was supposed to be distributed has currently gone missing, viewers and subscribers. Even with the country locked down, funds still are go missing. Stay tuned to the reasoning, viewers and subscribers.
Jack you come here. Ooh. You come here, Jack you. Every minute you woman no problem. You no learn. Me no know which one worse. You are the man who kiss Maka Diamond foot. Silone, you're the next one, Tina.
This is Solene.
After you keep party and get charged, the people them send money to pay the court. You turn around, cause me stand and talk about how you want your money. Now the money done, and a time to pay the court. You turn around a ball. Oh, I'm mad, and I want me injection.
I want to get me injection. Me bond down this a bumbo class house, you know.
Well, me no know who mad are you are the man who kiss Maka Diamond foot.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, now let's continue the reasoning. Now this confirmation by Billboard Records is sending shockwaves through the dancehall industry. For most of industry stakeholders and also some fans, then the things of Vybz Kartel's first entry to the Billboard Records was Ramping Shop, featuring Spice, that peaked at number 2 in 2009. Because from as early as March 2004, Vybz Kartel was dropping crossover hits with songs like Tech that peaked at number 11. Now this is also a clear reminder for all who are talking about trending. The Teacher crossover charts. I drop hits from them I go infant school. I'm gonna tell you what a crossover hit is, viewers and subscribers. A crossover hit is not when your song is being played overseas. A crossover hit is when your song crosses chart boundary. Tech, you know the reciter for the ladies, was a track, viewers and subscribers, that is authentically dancehall music. But right here on the hot R&B and hip hop songs charts for the Billboard, it peaked at number 11. Now in 2004 also, picture this. Another authentic dancehall track, viewers and subscribers, peaked at number 21. Viewers and subscribers, the fact is the Teacher do it long before YouTube, long before IG, long before Twitter. The Teacher had dropped these hits. Now this should also serve as inspiration for these young artists, because in this day and age, even Facebook is now partnered with Billboard charts, and even if your song get viewed on the Facebook chart, it's official, licensed and registered, it does add to your unit sales and the Billboard charts. So now you don't have to do the Sean Paul style of dancehall music for make it on the charts. You don't have to do the Beenie Man style of dancehall music for make it on the charts. You can do it with authentic dancehall music, viewers and subscribers, like Vybz Kartel, like the Shabarangs, like the names before him. Now big up Sean Paul for him achievements. You know, some people have some holy thing to talk about that statement there. But for the better part, we always see it as if certain artists and certain key industry stakeholders have tried to downplay Vybz Kartel and his musical achievements, like them want to say the teacher's entry to these charts happened by coincidence and not by hard work and a relentless pursuit of perfection, spending countless hours in the studio to perfect the craft. And this is proof, viewers and subscribers, that hard work always pays off. The teacher did say in our song, say him graduate from one pop and him standard no drop back. And from him boss still knowing in the dancehall industry, viewers and subscribers, the teacher has never dropped the standard. Always agree. Superb lyrical content, memorable lines, unmatched musical storytelling, and also unmatched musical journalism. We don't see nobody else do it. If you know another artist who do it, tell me in the comment section. But for the better part, Vybz Kartel stands alone. So for all who feel like say them a pioneer certain things in the dancehall music, do the research. No, on a new tweet, you have artists who set the foundation. You know what I mean? You have artists who lay the framework. You have artists who build dancehall into a palace. I want to just a movie. So give respects where respects are due. Now also happening today, viewers and subscribers, opposition spokesman on finance, Julian Robinson, is urging the government to indicate when the funds it committed to assisting the most vulnerable Jamaicans during the 3-week lockdown will be made available. Because he's saying it looks like party politics is at play. Now, 126 million was allocated, viewers and subscribers. 2 million each for the 63 constituencies that make up our island. Now, Robinson is saying that to date, and remember, we have already passed the second week of the 3-week lockdown. And he is saying that none of the 14 opposition members of parliament had received the promised funds. Now we confirm that since the ministry made the announcement, their constituents have been indicating to them and requests have been made, to which he said they have received nothing in that regard. He said the ministry promised that the funds would be made available in time to facilitate assistance before the long Easter weekend lockdown. Nothing has come and no update has been provided, Robertson stated. Now we know how the state got to work. But with a situation like this, politics can't be at play, viewers and subscribers. Not because one party is in power. In a situation like this, you cannot neglect constituencies who are represented by the opposition. You can't do it. The funds have to be distributed evenly and should have been dispersed long ago. Why is it that the administration is saying that what is taking place is their primary concern and they implemented severe measures? No movement for certain days. But the money where them said them they could provide for the people in the inner city. Remember, people that already not have no job. People that already out there try seek employment. You have people with entrepreneurs that do them own thing. And you say no movement. I wanna go assist them by providing funds so that them could have buy necessities. Every other country I talk about the money where them and give out to them people. Where our money there? And how is it that only a specific demographic of the country I say, yo, them not get no money? No, what kind of style? Not this modern age. Not in this modern age. Not when the people are saying their primary concerns like security, poverty, and things like this, the government is not paying attention to. And the administration is saying that, well, what is taking place takes primary interest. This is a part of the whole lockdown and the whole protocols that are put into place. So why is it that just because the people voted for a different party, them not get no funds? No, them things have to change. If you're claim so we're gonna move forward. Talk to me, viewers and subscribers. I'm not gonna feel. If you feel like this is clear proof that no change has been made in the mindset of our elected officials, then talk to me in the comment section. You know what I mean? If you're from one of those constituencies who you hear about the funding when it's supposed to give out, but you hear from your legal representative, from your MP or council that said no funds was made available for you, then talk to me in the comment section. I don't know how you feel about the news, because this is something where they don't like for highlight. Things they don't like to keep on the hush hush. Talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. But I said the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. Yeah man, the like icon is in close proximity to the share icon. So drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the reasoning, join the discussion. Comment section up me 24/7, never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And yes, we can contain the reasoning via the comment section. You know something, but you man move settings for my wanna need no ladder. My sentiments for you and yours is of course wanna live, love and prosper until we reason again.